So this is our room review of the Grand Hotel at Seaburn, and we are in room number 360. Coming into the room, you've got this little box on the wall where you put your card for your electricity, and it controls your heating. Our room is mad hot, to be fair, so we don't really need the heating at the minute. And coming in, you've got some storage here for your luggage rack, and we've got two massive deep drawers there. Fit a lot of stuff into these. These are really deep drawers. And you've got this massive wardrobe as well. I should open that up. And you do get an ironing board, an iron, a hairdryer, a safe. We've got small shelves for storage, shelf at the top, and then your hanging spaces. You don't get many hangers, but I think that's across most hotels. We normally bring extra if we're coming for quite a while. You've got quite a lot of space just down here as well. A little plug, radiator if needs be, and another little cupboard here. Now the right hand side of the cupboard we can't actually open, so I don't know what's in there. But on the left hand side you've got a few more deep drawers or deep shelves, and the middle one pulls out. We did have extra biscuits, but they've been eaten now. Kettle, some cups, and you've got your tea, coffee, sugar there. You can get room service ordered to your room, and there is a little menu here, although there is a surcharge of £4.50 per tray for whatever you order. Good size screen for your TV on the wall there. Now it's not a smart TV or anything like that, so it is just your standard Freeview style channels. Little desk area with phone, chair, and some more drawers, two drawers in here, and quite a lot of sockets with your various odds and ends in. Quite a large mirror. We've got the fan on again. It is really warm. It's not actually that warm outside, but we are on the top floor, so I think it's just purely because heat rises, so the top floor feels much hotter, especially when you come out the elevator, than the floors below. You've got two armchairs. They are much comfier than I think they look, and you've got your little ice bucket. Now there is ice machines on the floors dotted variously around the hotel. Now you can pay directly for sea views. We actually didn't pay for a sea view room, we just paid for a standard, but you can actually see the sea. So I don't know if you would class that as maybe partial sea view, I don't know. As you can see, it's another grey miserable day in the northeast of England today. It has got nice views overlooking the park and the seafront and the lighthouse. So turning round, you've got the bed. It's just a double, fortunately not a king. So me and David did keep elbowing each other in the middle of the night. You've got your lamps on either side of the bed table, and which we discovered, you've got these little USB charging ports, so you don't have to find the plug to charge your phone. You can just plug the wire directly into there, and they work to charge your phone even if the lamp's turned off, which is pretty handy. So the bedside tables, you've got a drawer in the top of each one and a cupboard underneath, so plenty of ample storage in here. The pillows, you get two, so if you need two pillows to sleep, you do have them. Now the bed, I think the bed, they could probably do with replacing it. It's one of those where you feel like you're caving in to the middle, so you feel like you're just constantly rolling towards each other in the middle of the night. So like I said, unfortunately we did keep jabbing and elbowing each other because of that, but other than that it was pretty comfortable. Bedside table on that one, but space-wise, I think it's quite a decent size room. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, to be honest, but it is quite a spacious room. So going into the bathroom, oh, the light's not on. You've got your shower cubicle. Now it is a hot shower, it's not very powerful unfortunately, but it does the job. You've got a tray there just to put your shampoo and conditioner and whatnot on. Now the door does close automatically, so it sounds like I'm going to slam it, but I'm not. Toilet, you get some toilet roll, some nice little seaside artwork there. You have your big mirror, which I personally love when you're doing your makeup and things like that. Sink basin, massive style mirror there. And you do get some little toiletries, I've got some soap, shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and a shower cap. Quite a large sink area, so plenty of storage around your sink. And you've got the bath. Now, it's a bit weird being in a hotel room and having a full-size bath, because for anybody that goes abroad to the likes of Spain or Greece or anywhere really, to be honest, the baths generally are much smaller than what we have in the UK. So it is quite weird that we've got an actual full-size bath here. And you've just got some towel hanging racks up there, and there's another one on the back of the door. So again, overall, it's quite a spacious, tidy bathroom. I'll just see if I can quickly pan round again for you, so you can try and see the size of it. My camera seems to zoom in quite a lot, so I don't know why. But yeah, very happy with that. Now the hotel itself does have dinner and breakfast options. We have just come back up from breakfast, which was actually really lovely. The dinner itself last night was unfortunately a little bit of a letdown, so we got the option where dinner was included in our stay. Nobody seemed to really know what was included with that though, so we had to ask, you know, is it just the main, is it mains and starters, and dessert? Nobody seemed to know, so we ended up getting mains and dessert, and that was what was included. And the hotel also has a swimming pool, sauna, jacuzzi and a hot tub, which we did use yesterday afternoon. Unfortunately, you are not allowed to record in there though, so I couldn't show you anything. You weren't actually allowed to take your phone in, so I couldn't show you any of that. But yeah, other than that, the room's pretty good size. We paid £200 for the night, including access to the swimming pool, swimming facilities, as well as having breakfast and dinner. So if you're thinking of a weekend getaway somewhere, if you're fancying the northeast of England, maybe recommend the Grand Hotel. And you've got the added bonus of it being right on the beach side. So you've got more bars, restaurants, pubs, entertainment. There's a new little coffee shop just over there, which we're going to try out. We haven't been there yet. I might actually record in there for you as well when we go, just to see what that's like, because it is new. And luckily it's not raining today, so we will be able to get out and have a little bit of a walk around. But yeah, thanks everybody for watching. If you do enjoy these videos, if you enjoy room reviews, travel vlogs, things like that, we have got many more coming up throughout the course of the year, especially over the next few months. So please hit the like and subscribe button, it does really help our channel out, and we'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching.